Hello everyone, it's me Jebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get a simple document scanner with continuous scanning feature for Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Fair Scan. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. On opening, it will ask you some permission. Just click on this grant permission. Click on while using the app. Now you need to click on this new scan. Now you can see it's auto detecting. Now just click on this button to capture. So similarly, you can take multiple pages. So you can take as much pages you want to capture. So once you're done, just click on this option. Now here you can reorder the pages also by dragging it. So you can see you can rearrange the pages if you want to rearrange it, and if you want to rotate it, you can just click on this rotation option. And if you want to delete some pages, just select the respective page and click on this delete option. Click on yes. And if you want to rescan, then you can just click on this plus in order to add on new pages here. And once you're done, just click on this export PDF. Now you can give a file name, whatever file name you want to give. And now just click on the save option, then it will be saved to your phone internal storage. And now just click on this end scan and you can see the save files at the bottom. As you can see here, you can just click on it and you can recheck the save PDF directly here also. And if you want to rescan, then just click on this new scan and you can repeat the same process which I have shown you a few minutes ago. So by using this cool application named as Fair Scan, you can get a simple document scanner with continuous scanning feature for Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.